Hello everybody. So today let us make tomato chutney. So the ingredients required are these are the ingredients. About 4 tomatoes. I have taken raw tomatoes, that is which are green in color. That would taste much sour. About 2 onions sliced. I have taken ginger and garlic. And then about 1 to 2 teaspoons of coconut, sliced ones, and 4 chilies, curry and coriander leaves. Curry leaves are very good for the health of your hair. They will promote the hair growth and prevent hair loss. So use it in the dishes. So to a pan, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil. And then 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Fry these vegetables in the oil, that is green chilies, sliced tomatoes, and the onion, ginger, garlic, curry and coriander leaves. Everything I'm going to fry it in the oil. You can just mix it slowly. To this I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. I always request my users to use pink salt as it has natural minerals, iodine and required nutrients which is not usually available in the iodized salts, wherein they artificially add those minerals and iodine required. And then I'm going to add the sliced coconuts. And then transfer it to a mixer jar. Allow it to cool completely. So it's almost cool now. To this I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of sugar. Even you can replace sugar with the jaggery powder. So the chutney is ready now. You can adjust the taste accordingly. Grind it without water. So the tomato chutney is ready. It can be served with chapatis, roti and even dosa also. And idlis also will taste well. Give it a try. Thank you.